Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using this script above me, which it has a grid system as opposed to a direct letter-to-letter system, where the letters are made by combining different elements instead of one letter always having the same shape. So the elements are the rows, which are determined by the letter stems, and then the columns, which are determined by dots or lines on the letter stems. And in this design, I played a lot with the style of the script and used a base hexagon shape instead of a base circle shape for these two to get kind of a techie feel, and then a circle for this design here. So instead of this like little less than half of a hexagon, we have this less than half of a circle. And then in the finished design, I colored it all, and I'm actually going to read through this one because I think it looks actually a little easier to read with the shading kind of helping visually distinguish our word circles. I'm going to still call them circles even though they're hexagons. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. So you start reading at the bottom and you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. And this little guy is our little start marker, a little half circle around a dot. It's like an eyeball looking in this direction. So if we start at this corner, go around, this corner, go around, it'll be the same thing for all of these. We'll still start with our bottom letter. And this is our main name, the Sudhoda, and then the Ya here. And we have an S with 1, 2, 3 lines on a shallow divot, and then a U with a line radiating outwards, and then this D has 3 dots, and then the H is a deep divot with 2 lines, the O is attached on it like a bead on the string, a D again same as this D, and then the A outside the circle, so that's Sudhoda. And then for the ya, we have the apostrophe at the beginning of the word, and then a y has 2 dots, a, and these two I really wanted to make look together because it's the same word split by an apostrophe. I could have done word, but then it would get even more complicated looking, and I wanted to make it look like this. And then here we have streams. This shallow divot has 1, 2, 3 lines on it. T with nothing, R with 3 dots, E like on the line of where the word circle would go. A outside the word circle. This M is super sneaky and has an issue. This line should continue through. Oh boy, howdy. Hofta. Because this line needs to continue through. I'm gonna fix that, and I can't fix that in this setup. Actually, yes, we can. Yes, we can. By duplicate. Uh, setting clip. Removing that. Nothing to see here. I should edit this in game, but I'm gonna eventually do that. That is what I need to do to fix it. Actually, you know what? That's fine. I'm gonna consider it fine, even though this bothers me a lot. Oh boy. But you know what? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. It's good enough. Okay. Anyway, 1 line on the M here, and then 2 more there. Then 1, 2, 3 lines on the S for streams. Yay! So yeah, that's that design, and I'm gonna export it again. And then I think that's that. So yeah, thanks. Bye.